Hi, my name is Kristen. Welcome to the Sensory Garden. Our garden is named after Dorcas Utter, who was a volunteer here who loved to share her love of the garden and of fragrances, and she gave tours around our garden. A garden is a joy for the senses. Take a moment of silence to just be here and find peace. Close your eyes, feel the sun on your skin. Breathe slowly and deeply. Listen for the sound of birds and running water nearby. Now open your eyes and quietly explore the plants in this little corner of the garden. Which have shapes and colors that please your eyes? Which are scented? Which have textures that invite you to touch them? Which dance in the breeze? Look up into the pepper tree. Can you find our owl house? Look, listen, and explore. There's so much to discover in our sensory garden.